How do you think magkakatulungan po kayo ng ating bagong presidente bilang isang elected senator? Paano kayo makakatulong sa kanyang administrasyon at paano naman yung iniisip na magkita ang inyong landas kung sakasakali?
Well, alam nyo, kami sa LP Bloc, I'm part of the LP Bloc headed by Senate President Frank Drilon, ay susuportahan namin yung mga magaganda niya na mga mungkahi, yung mga magaganda niya na mga panukalang batas na ipipresenta sa Kongreso. Pero syempre, meron mga ilan-ilan na mga major pieces of legislation na balak nila na hindi kami magkakatugma-tugma sa aming mga magiging posisyon. Perfect example is of course the reimposition of death penalty. Magkakaiba-iba kami dyan kasi ako mismo talaga, I'm telling you now, then and now, I'm really against death penalty. I will never agree to the reimposition of death penalty, especially at this point na marami pang depekto yung ating justice system.
At nakikita niyo po ba na talagang kagaya ng sinasabi kanina sa balita na maaaring merong sanction na ibigay sa atin ng United Nations in case na i-reimpose ulit ito?
Alam nyo, we are a state party. The Philippines is a state party to the second optional protocol to the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights or ICC PR. Alam na alam yan ni Kong Erin. And in that convention, we have committed ourselves not to reimpose death penalty. So kung sakaling i-reimpose natin ng death penalty, that would be reneging from our international commitments or international obligation. At syempre, may epekto yan. But as to whether specifically kung anong sanction, ay iba-iba naman yan. Siyempre, we will lose the recognition from the United Nations na nakikilala naman tayo na human rights compliant to a large extent. Kulang pa. Meron pa rin tayong mga kakulangan when it comes to our human rights awareness and human rights compliance, lalo na dun sa mga unsolved na mga media killings, etc. But overall, especially here in Asia, in ASEAN, isa tayo sa kinikilala na very, very conscious din when it comes to human rights compliance. So kung i-reimpose natin ng death penalty, maiiba yung paningin sa atin ng mundo, ng United Nations, ng European community, which is so conscious and serious about human rights matters.